Hello, welcome guys. Today we will be looking into the what are the components of Power Platform. Okay, so there are different um, components in the Power Platform. So we have Power Apps, we have Power Pages, we have Power Automate, then we have Power VI, then we have Power Virtual agents. Okay, so these are the different components under Power Platform, and Microsoft will continue to add different components under this particular Power Platform in future. Okay, so for now we have these different components. So okay, so we will see one by one what is it for. So Power Apps is for application development. Okay, then we have Power Pages for portal management. So these will be the external websites, external facing for the external users and partners. We have Power Automate for workflows and integrations. Okay, then we have Power BI for reporting and intelligence, and then we have Power Virtual Agents for chatbot development. Okay, so hope you have understood. Like Power Apps is used for application development. Mainly, we will be focusing on Power Apps in this tutorial series. We will be focusing on Power Apps application development, and we will somewhat we will have a look in the Power Automate. Okay, so everything else is a vast syllabus, guys. So we need to create one another series for these tools to cover up. Okay, so for now our series we will be more looking into the Power Apps application development and Power Automate. Okay, so thank you guys. That's all for this session. So we have covered what are the components of the Power Platform in this session, and in upcoming session we will dig into the what is Power Apps and what are the different types of apps we can create in the Power Platform. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.